Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo, and in this Photoshop quick tutorial we will create text that will look like large boulders or rocks. So let's get started. Now guys, let's get started. First open up Photoshop and create a text. So I'm using horizontal type tool, and right here I'm going to type text rock and transform this text. I'm going to increase the size of this text like this, and I'm using Arial black font. And after this we just go to file and export this file as a JPEG format. And after saving this file, we just go to Adobe FIREFLY, and here we're just going to type a prompt large boulder isolated in a white background, and there it is. It will give you 4 options, so you will select any of one, and I am going to download this image. And after this we just go to left side here. You'll see in the general settings under the reference we just upload the text file here we wrote before, and hit continue. And downside under the style option we just going to this image we will use as a reference image we created. And you can use any effects like hyperrealistic digital art, and you can increase the strength a little bit and hit generate. And we're just going to change the aspect ratio to widescreen and hit generate. And look at this guys, how easy it is to create this type of stunning text. Now that's it guys. This is all about how to transform text into any material in Photoshop by using Adobe FIREFLY. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.